Hello, my name's Anita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a recent order I placed with Eureka Crystal Beads. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so I figured it was time. So here is an order I placed to add to my bead stash. There were certain beads I ordered that I didn't have certain colors on, so I'm just adding to my inventory. I'll have links in the description box below that'll apply to the products unboxed today, okay? So let's get started. And as you can see, I haven't even opened up my package. So we're going to unbox this together and see what is inside. Pull this out. Well, they give you a nice inventory list of the different items, and everything is packaged nice and neat. So we'll be unveiling this, and it looks like I've got some cabochon beads, 2-hole cabochon beads. I was limited in the colors that I had, so I ordered some other ones, and I'll show you those. Then I also ordered some nib bit beads. That's a 2-hole bead. And then I ordered some, I believe you pronounce it YB Duo beads. It's another 2-hole bead, and it's got an unusual shape. So it looks like those are the 3 different beads that I ordered in different colors. So let me get this opened and we'll go through these one by one. All right, the first item I'm going to show you is the 2-hole cabochon beads that I ordered. These are 7mm in size, and the color is a luster opaque white. Just beautiful. The nice thing about placing these orders with Eureka Crystal Beads, you get a nice little discount coupon with your order. So these are the first ones I ordered, and you get about, I'm guessing, well, let's see if they've got the count on here. Well, it's a 2.5-inch tube, and let me check and see what the quantity was on that. After checking, I didn't see a quantity on the actual order. So let's just take a look so we can kind of get an idea on what is in a 2.5-inch tube. So it looks like I've got 5, 10, 15, about 18 beads. So I ordered 2 packs, so I got approximately 36 beads. So that will give you an idea on what to expect in a 2.5-inch tube of 2-hole cabochons. So that's the first color I got, that beautiful luster white. The next one I ordered was this one. It's called Suede Gold. It's a Color Trends color line. It looks like a metallic fuchsia color. And I got 2 tubes of this. So let's see how many I got. So I've got 5, 10, 15. Oh, let's check that again. It's 5, 10, 15, 19. So I got an extra set of a 2-hole cabochon. So sometimes you might get an extra one, but it's a good idea to count your beads when you place orders like this, especially if they do list the quantity. If there's a huge discrepancy, you would want to dispute that with the vendor. But it looks like I got a nice count of these, and then I'll show you the next color I got and the 7mm 2-hole cabochon. And this one is Color Trends as well, but it looks like a metallic blue, kind of like a Capri blue is what it looks like. So let's take these out and see how many I've got. So it looks like I've got 5, 10, 15, I've got 18 of these. So I've got 2 tubes of these 2-hole cabochons. Just a beautiful color. Aren't those gorgeous? So let me check and see what is our next item. All right, so here is the next item that I got. This is a nib bit bead. Get my camera to focus here. And it's a 2-hole bead, and it's kind of shaped kind of like a triangle. The beads, or the holes, are on the side like this. So you've got 2 holes like this. So it's got a rounded edge here and a flat edge here. It's fairly uniform. And I counted these are approximately 54 in the tube that I got. And this color is a hematite. Just beautiful. So there's a couple of projects I have that I'll be doing in the near future that required nib bit beads, and I didn't have any at all. So I thought, well, I'll get a few of those. So that's the hematite color. Now these 2-hole cabochons here, they have a flat back and they are domed at the top, and there's 2 holes like this. Just beautiful. And these are all the same size. So let me go on to the next nib bead that I got, and I'll show you what color that one is. All right, so here's the next tube. And as I mentioned, there was approximately 54, so you can guess around 50-ish is the number on the number of nib bit beads you'll get in a tube like this. And these are 6 by 5 millimeter is their diameter. And this particular color here is called metallic suede purple. So I'll take these out, give you a closer look. They kind of have a eggplant color to them, although the camera may show them looking kind of a dark blue, but these are definitely a purple, dark purple, almost like an eggplant color. Just beautiful. All right, so let's get the next color. I believe these are more of a neutral white. Those are pretty. They're kind of a frosty white color. Just beautiful. Aren't those gorgeous? So I've got 2 tubes of this that I ordered, so I'll have a little over 100 of my nib bit beads, and then I ordered 1 tube of the hematite color. Just beautiful. And that leaves me with 1 more bead to reveal. And these are the Duo, I think that's how you pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong. Duo check glass. These are 8 by 8 in an Aztec gold. It's a 2-hole bead. And it's kind of a square with little pointies. It reminds me of a pillow. That's what it looks like. Little pillows. And we'll take some of these out. And I'll check and see what the count is on this. I counted approximately 50 of the Duo beads. So I'll pop these in here. And these, like I said, are the Aztec gold. Just gorgeous. So I've got 1 bag of that. Then the other color I got in the Duo was a metallic silver. I wanted to be able to have enough of the, and I got 2 bags of that. I wanted to have enough colors that'll complement either gold tones or silver tones, so I always try to keep a stash of the base color in some of the beads that I order. So here's the Duo with the silver 2-hole bead, and I'll show you that a little closer how the hole is. And they look like I said, they look like little pillows. They're really cute. They have a flat back, and the hole goes, there's 1 hole there. So the hole kind of goes from point through the point like this. And it looks like this one might have a blocked hole. Nope, that's not blocked. But it goes through the points like that. Very pretty, and it's got kind of a rounded top. Just beautiful. So that is my Bead Stash order for Eureka Crystal Beads. It's been a while since I've had to replenish anything. So here it is. Stay tuned watching my channel because I'll be making some really cool stuff with some of these beads. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Short video, just wanted to share my recent order. And I want to thank you for joining me today. So I'll have links in the description box below that'll apply to the products used today. And I'll also have a link to the Eureka website as well. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. I'd love to hear from you. And thanks to all of you that are subscribers and you keep coming back and sharing my link. I really do appreciate your return visits. I have a website where I sell my own jewelry, so if you want to see what I've been making with some of these beautiful beads, check out my website because sometimes I'll have a sale throughout the year, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Happy beading, and I'll see you next time.